Hey there, teachers. I want to show you the practical use for the Wordwall website I sent this morning. I used an activity in my home class this morning and it worked really, really well. So when you first come into Wordwall, you'll be asked to sign in, or sign up. You just sign in with your school Google account and then it will bring you to your activities. The neat thing is if you come to community, you have a whole bunch of activities that people have already used that you could use and adapt for yourself. So that's pretty neat. So I just used one of the activities this morning, but you can see here there's a whole bunch of things you can use. But basically what I did is I just used something that was created, an example resource. But if you look at the homepage here, it's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can use a template, you enter your content, and you can either print it or you can play on the screen. So there's a whole bunch of things here. There's different templates. You have matchup, random wheel, quizzes, whack-a-mole, group sort, hangman, open the box. So this is all custom made based on your subject. Great for language teachers where you have a word and then you can have a translation of the word. But I'll just show you the example I used this morning for my class. I think I used the icebreakers. So I just went to examples and then icebreakers, and there's different templates you can choose here. There's different cards, there's a spinning wheel. So I think I chose the box this morning. I'll just show you how that works. We'll just take it, let it load. But we've got random cards, we've got random wheel, we've got word search, we've got open the box. There's more than you can find here. So I did open the box. So I clicked on open the box and just wait for that to load. You can choose different themes here. And then I clicked start. I went to full screen, and then in my Zoom lesson, I just went according to the Zoom screens, the camera, webcams, and then I just asked each student to choose a number. So for example, someone goes and they choose number 12. So we click on number 12, and then it gives them an option to describe the best movie they've ever seen. Give them time to have a description. And then we move on to the next person. They choose 24. What would the title of your autobiography be? So this was really neat. The children really enjoyed it. It was really engaging, some really interesting answers. So that was just an option. So you can change your, you can have random cards. So if you choose random cards here, so this is the template. Same kind of thing. We have space theme going on here. You make it full screen. Choose the card. If you could learn one new personal skill, what would it be? You can go to the next one. Would you rather be the funniest or smartest person in the room? You can shuffle the cards if you want to. Start again. Really cool sound effects here. Would you rather watch TV or read a book? And so you go. So it's really cool, and it's fully customizable. There is a free version. The free version, you can create up to 5 activities, but as I said, you can use the templates and things that people have already created through the community. So it's really worthwhile. Just another thing to use in your lessons, especially during this online time. You can start a lesson with it. We can use it in homeroom. So once again, just lots of different different things to use. So hopefully you can get to use this. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll be glad to help. Have a good day.